In this video, we'll show you how to get rid of that annoying echo in OBS. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Echoing audio can be frustrating, especially if you're recording or streaming. Let's fix it so your viewers don't have to deal with it. I'll walk you through a few troubleshooting steps, so be sure to stick around for the whole video. First, head over to the audio mixer in OBS. Echo can come from either your microphone or your computer audio, so we'll check both. When you speak, you should see the green bar for only one audio source moving. If you notice multiple bars moving, that's likely where the issue is. To fix this, click on the mute button on any extra bars to make sure only one is active. Repeat this for each source. Now let's check your desktop audio. Play some sound or music, and you should only see one green bar moving for it. If you see more than one, mute the others. Next, go to your settings by clicking on the gear icon, then head to the audio tab on the left. Make sure you have only one microphone selected and that all other microphones are disabled. Do the same for the desktop audio. Afterward, press apply and you should be all set. Hopefully that resolves your echoing problem.